Welcome back to Peanut Garage. We finally hit the 500 subs. So as promised, we're going to put this thing on nitrous and blow it the fuck up.
Warning, the stunts in this movie were performed by professionals, so for your safety and the protection of those around you, do not attempt any of the stunts you're about to see.
I need NOS. Amateurs don't use nitrous oxide.
Hey, what's that still going? Is that all of them? Yeah. That was the whole half a bottle. What the fuck? It's running better than ever. It lives!
Do you want me to pause?
Alright, apparently this thing loves nitrous, so next best thing, drop the oil. I'm recording. Oh, we'll have to jump it. Yeah. Battery's absolutely nip.
Don't mind these fucking. There we go. Start at 8. Week 8 next week.
Nice. Alright, smoke them if you got them. Yeah.
Well, that's pretty much all of that. We turned it off, dropped the oil, took the belt off, and as you can see, she's not turning over. I'll let it cool down, come back tomorrow, and I'll see if it will start. If not, that's all she wrote. So, the VS didn't blow up. It's still turning over, to my surprise, and it's starting on starter fluid. So, I know it's not the ending everyone wanted. Everyone wanted to see the Ecotech completely splattered across my garage floor and me cleaning it up for hours. But I have come up with something even better. So I went onto eBay and decided to buy this 100% Chinesium big ass turbo. So we'll look forward to seeing this and the Ecotech back in another video. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Be good or be good at it.